Hello guys, hope you guys are doing good, and this is the third tutorial in which I'm going to tell you how to blur your moving background. So if you don't like any background coming in your video, you can blur that easily with the help of Filmora. I'll tell you how to do it. There are so many software to do that, but the easiest is Filmora. You don't need any practice, you only need 3 or 4 clicks and you are done. You can blur that background easily. So I will tell you those easiest tricks in Filmora. Let's go inside my computer screen. Today in this video I will tell you how to blur your background even if it's moving. How can you do that in Filmora? So let's get started. Here you can import your video. Once you have the video, just drag it down. So I'll tell you the easiest way. The first is the free one, like you don't have to even purchase anything in that. You just have to go to effects and go to the utility. Just search for the utility over here. Once you have that, go for the tilt shift circle. There are two. One is tilt shift circle and the other is tilt shift linear. You can do anything. You can do circle or the linear. So just drag this effect down on your screen and there you go, boom. So once you do this, your background is blurred, and you can use either you can use tilt shift linear or you can use tilt shift circle. I'll show you the circle one as well. The background and everything is blurred and you are only on the focus. So this is the easiest mode in which you can blur any background. Now for next one, and next is the easiest. You just have to purchase the AI portrait mode, and AI portrait mode is one of the best mode in Filmora. So for the start, you just copy the video and paste it to the next timeline. Make sure there's a space between the video and make sure both of the video are exactly the same. So just copy video on the next frame and make sure there's a space between the frames. So once you have that, so you go to the effects, you go to the AI portrait mode and you have the human segmentation. Just drag it and put on the top one. So it will ask you to purchase, but you can still try it just to see how amazing it is. So once you paste it, now you go to the effects again and go to the basic and search for the blur. And there are so many options. Go to the basic blur which is on the top. Just drag it down and stretch it till the end. So once you have it, and just play. As you can see, this is amazing effect. This is one of the most amazing effect you can see. The background is blur and only you are focused. See how amazing it looks. So this was it guys. This is the AI portrait mode, and the other one which I showed you is the basic one. So yes, this was all about the background blur, how you can do your background blur with using Filmora. This is the easiest and one of the most amazing trick you can use to blur your background, any of the background. So that was it guys. Wait for the next video. Until then, just take care. Bye. So guys, that was it. Isn't it so easy? Everything is so easy in Filmora. Even if you don't know anything, if you don't know about editing, this software makes you a pro. So if you guys still don't have the Filmora, go and download on their website. It is amazing software. You can do amazing work with that. You can make your video out of the box. And if you like my video, if you like my tutorials, comment. I will be happy to help you. So this was it guys. This was the video about how to blur your background if you don't like it, or even if you don't want it. Hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button and hit the bell icon. Don't miss to hit the bell icon. Once you hit the bell icon, you will get the notification whenever the next video is out. So this was it guys. Hope to see you soon again. Until then, just take care and have a good one.